风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. We're talking about professions that are associated with performing arts. 还有什么样的艺文职业啊？我们可以来聊，比如说
很会写东西，
作家，对不对 ？An author， 我们会看他的书，
对，
好看，对不对 ？How do you say an author？ 作家，
作家，
作家。这个客家的作家其实也很多位很有名嘛，对不对？比如说詹彬是苗栗卓兰的著名作家咯 ，right？ 詹彬 is a very famous author coming from 苗栗。
詹彬係苗栗大蘭，懂出名嘅作家
，OK， 很出名的，
懂出名，
著名的一个作家 ，a very famous author。All right。然后呢，很多电影都是改编于著名作家的作品。A lot of movies that we watch are adapted from works by famous authors.
懂到天樣，都係對出名作家嘅作品改編來嘅。等候
All right， 就是改编
來的
adaptation， 改編，这很重要哈，就把一本书写得淋漓盡致的變成電影了。Okay, let's review some of the phrases that were brought up, including being very popular， 很有名，
懂出名
and then a movie， 電影，天樣 and a lot of them comes from works from authors， 作家 Maybe you're a writer too, and I hope one day I can read your book. Thank you for listening to Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.